What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, I'm Josh with JCS Customs. In today's video, we're going to discuss a little bit about the transmission flush. So I get this question a lot on YouTube, in the comment section, and on Instagram DMs. So I figured I'd make this video. It has been a while since I've done that service or had that service completed, but I figured I'd go back and look at those papers and show y'all what I paid for it, because you know, if you have the 16 to 18, they're notorious for the transmission shutter, and just in general, the dealership will kind of suggest having this done anyways about 52,000 miles. Anyway, mine did. So we're going to jump straight into it and let you guys know exactly what I paid for that and what you can expect when you go to the dealership. It probably will vary a little bit depending on your area and your dealership, but maybe this will give you a general ballpark of what to expect. So jumping straight into it right here, I will throw these pieces of paper up on the screen so you can see it better. So the service was done on December 27th of last year, 2023. And the mileage in was 56,000, a little over 56,000. And I did this because the dealer recommended having this done at 52,000 miles. And I could not get it in at that time as my dealer was booked out for about 2 months. So I did book it around the 52,000 mark, and I just put 4,000 over that mark before I can get it in. So let's just go through these just real quick. I don't want to spend too much time because I just want to get straight to the point. They did the regular maintenance. They have 60,000 miles written here, but so as you see on the screen here, 10-speed transmission service. I do have the 10-speed if it's your first time on the channel. It may be different for the 6 speeds, but let's see. The original estimate was $516.91. You see there in the left. Labor was $265 and a penny. Parts was $203.42, and $25 in fees. So my insurance and warranty paid $159 of that, pretty much $160, and my invoice total was $334.44. So if we keep going to the back here, I will show you another page that was included because I got lucky on this. When I first seen $516, yeah, get quoted, I was like, you know, whoa, what? That's I was saving up for something else, and I was like, I don't really want to spend that much, but I got lucky, so you'll see that here in a minute. Insurance paid $160 of it. Go to the back here, and I will put up another page on the screen here. And you see that total redemption amount was $153. And that is my GM rewards points. So I totally forgot I had a GM rewards points balance that was that big. I had $153 in rewards points built up. So definitely I applied that straight towards that because I'm not, at that point, I didn't see myself buying another vehicle, even though I've been kind of looking at Z01s lately, hint, hint. But so anyways, guys, 153 applied towards that total, which left me paying around 180 out of pocket, which I was super happy about because, like I mentioned before, it always sucks paying money at the dealership, especially, you know, they tend to overcharge for labor anyways. A 1 hour job, they may quote 3 hours, and that's just by their handbook. But as you go back to that breakdown there, you see that the labor was $265 of that. So the labor was more than the parts, and a $25 fee, just probably a general fee, doesn't say there. And yeah, after insurance and warranty, it was $334, and I had my GM rewards points. So if you do not have insurance and warranty, you may be expected to pay the full 516 or somewhere near in that ballpark. Luckily, I still had that, and your insurance and warranty, if you do have it, may cover a little less or a little more than that. But if you do have that, you may be looking at $330 roughly. So yeah, good little chunk of change. It sucks to spend that, but that's all part of the game, guys. You got to pay to play. And if you want to keep your car in the perfect condition to be able to continue to play with it, you got to keep it up. So um, feel free to comment down below what your dealership may have recommended as far as mileage is having the 10-speed transmission flush or the 6-speed. I'm interested in hearing that, as well as some prices for the 6-speed, just see if that varies. So once again, I hope you found this video helpful. I tend to get this question a lot in the comments and the Instagram DM, so I figured I'd go back in time here to December and make a video about it. I did want to make this a while back, but just never got around to it. So yeah, guys, hope you found it helpful. Appreciate you guys watching. Feel free to comment down below anything. I'll tend to answer it. So until next time.